So now I'm going to do a little bit of floor work. And I think the first thing we need to do is to use these massage balls, because that space between your shoulder blades can get really tight, both in your left arm because you're overusing it constantly, and your right arm because you're trying to protect yourself from pain. So we're going to take this sock, which has 2 dog balls in it, and I'm going to lie down on it, put it right there between my shoulder blades. And I like to have a little bit of a lift under my head. And then releasing my body as much as I can into those pressure points that the balls are creating. And I can rock a little bit to massage it more. And I can also move up so that it's now moved down on my back. And I recommend spending 10-15 minutes using these pressure points, letting your neck release, letting your back widen, to get rid of some of the compensation we're doing in our shoulder blades. All right, and now we're ready to do one of my favorite exercises. So I'm going to spread my arms out, and we're going to start a movement bringing the fingertips to the chest, and then we slide the hand all the way along the arm until we get a little bit of a twist in the spine, and then slowly release and come back to center. So again, I'm thinking of my whole body, finding the movement that connects my arm to my shoulder, to my spine, all the way down to my feet. Releasing and reaching and letting go into any of the tightness. And then letting the weight of my body release back into the floor as I open back out. Let your head rock delicately from side to side. Neck releases, head moves away. And we'll do it one more time. Reaching. And now I could let my legs drop over with me, and I get to go all the way over, past the hand, and then back to center. And you're very likely going to find some real tight spots on this side. Gently reaching. Then letting my knees drop toward this side and reaching past my fingertips. And letting my head release. And then rolling back to center. My legs come back to supporting on the ground, and I rest. Release and free the neck.